My name is Russell Rubin, and I'm the CEO of Boston Group. We've been in business for over 85 years, and over those 85 years, we've continuously evolved into providing different types of solutions for our customers. The way we're organized is in three distinct categories: power, protect, and fixtures. We do everything from power distribution, voice and data wiring, protect, which is extrusions, bumpers, crash rails, and fixture equipment, such as tables, desks, carts, and material handling equipment. We relocated our primary manufacturing facilities into Ravenna, Ohio, into a new state-of-the-art 300,000 square foot facility to better support our international client base. We pride ourselves on having our finger on the pulse with whatever the customer is doing. Urgency, response, thoroughness, accuracy, to ensure that whatever we're doing is in line with what the customer's expectations, desires, and requirements are.
We will go through our engineering departments and we will draw up the part for them. Once they approve, we make the tooling in-house ourselves with our wire EDM machines. We can go ahead and kick it right into production.
We have an array of state-of-the-art automated machines that are capable of actually running themselves. We're able to do high volume. We figure out processes, understand problems, and then we find solutions to get the product from start to finish as efficiently as possible and a quick turnaround for our customer. At every stage, the product is being inspected, so it's not just one quality check at the end.
One of the things that I hear from customers, the company's very responsive. They often say that our products are what they needed. They'll identify an issue in our group, whether it be sales or engineering, will design a solution around that. We're definitely, a preferred supplier. We should be, because we build quality product and we try to build quality relationships with our customers.
So I see the future of Boston Group as expanding, growing through continuous innovation, investment in resources, and constantly challenging what we are doing today. Remaining curious, asking questions, seeking solutions, and trying to do the best we can so that we do create true value for our customers.